Let's be real. Hey, welcome back to Krish Spoken English. This isn't about perfect grammar, it's about showing up as you are. That's today's phrase show up. Simple words, big meaning, because sometimes just showing up changes everything. The birthday no one remembered. You ever had a birthday where no one came? Or maybe just one person did. Everyone else forgot, but that one friend, they showed up. No big gift, no drama, just presence. And in that moment, it meant the world. That's what show up means being there when it matters. If someone has ever shown up for you, comment in the chat. The exam you were scared of, you were terrified, big exam, you didn't sleep, your hands are shaking, but you want to run, but you don't. You show up anyway, you sit down, you try, you fought through it. That's courage. That's what real English is too. Not perfect, just present. You ever showed up for something you were scared of? You are stronger than you think. Comment if you have ever shown up scared, but did it anyway. That English speaking moment. Remember the first time you spoke English in public? Maybe your voice crackled. Maybe people laughed. Maybe you messed up. But guess what? You showed up. And that's more than most people ever do. That's how confidence is built. Not by knowing everything, but by daring to try. Can you remember the first time you spoke English? What happened? Were you nervous? Did it go well? Or did you mess up a little? Drop your story in the comments. Real life meaning of show up. Show up isn't about going somewhere. It means being present emotionally, mentally, fully. You show up for your friends. You show up for your dreams. You show up for your English, even when it is hard. That's what makes you different. Let's get real for a moment. Who or what do you show up for, even when it is hard? Maybe it's your family. Maybe it's your future. Maybe it's your English journey. Drop it in the comments. Just saying it out loud is powerful. It reminds you why you started and why you keep going. Who do you show up for? Let me ask you something. Who do you show up for? Yourself? Your family? Or maybe you are just learning to show up for you. Say it out loud. No grammar, no fear, just your truth. The power of showing up. In life, you won't always have all the answers. But if you just keep showing up, you'll figure it out. Showing up builds trust with others, with yourself. So, whether it's in class, or in a job interview, or on a tough day, keep showing up. That's how you win. Let me ask you something real. What's one thing in your life you keep showing up for, even when it is tough? Maybe it's your classes, maybe it's your job, maybe it's this journey of learning English. Drop it in the chat or just whisper it to yourself because showing up, even without all the answers, is how you win. Keep it real. Today, you didn't just watch a video, you showed up for your English, for your confidence, for your future. And I see that, I respect that. This is Krish Spoken English, where showing up matters more than sounding perfect. Until next time, stay bold, stay human, and never stop showing up.